Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So this video I am going to teach you how to fix Starfield red mile bug. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try is to use save file. To use save file to load the game before you start the quest, and then you can just try to do the quiet again. And after that, you can also use console command. So you can also use console command. So set stage the 001 F0267 800 in case you cannot progress in the quest and just face the run bug happening when you try to do the red mile quest. However, this is a PC fix only as Xbox has no console commands. And then next is to hire a crewmate. So some players have suggested that hiring a crewmate before starting on the run mission has made them not encounter the on the run mission bug after talking to May. So you can also hire a crewmate before you start quest to avoid the bug. And then next is to run through the stage. So the next fix you can try is to rush the quests. So you can run through the stage where the bug is occurring without going through the entire mission by taking your time. So you'll have to rush the mission where you won't be able to talk leisurely, but rather skip everything and go to the stage where the bug is happening to start the quest fast. The next is to talk to May in the correct position. So, some players have found that May has a routine and a position where you can talk to her, where she finally stands beside in the armed guard after fa- beside an armed guard after finishing her talk with various people. That is when you will have to speak with her to continue the quest. So if you speak to her before that, there is a high chance that the quest will get bugged. And then you can also try to do the quest later. So after you've successfully talked to me, you will have to choose the option I need more time to prepare, and then just talk to me again after a few minutes have passed and progress with the quest. Just make sure that to do this as you might encounter the bug if you decide to continue the on the run quest without waiting. And then you can also try restarting the Starfield. So as alternative fix, you can exit the game and then restart it after some time has passed when you are able to progress with the quest in Starfield. And if the game had glitched somehow or you aren't able to access those contents due to some bug in the game itself, then doing a restart after closing the game should solve the issue. And then lastly, what you can do is to update Starfield. So check to see whether there are any updates available for Starfield on the Steam page or from where you have downloaded it in your console. You can also try contacting Bethesda's support team if you can and see if they can help you fix the problem or fix the bug. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.